Good Sunday morning, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. You can subscribe at any of those places to our news feeds and video feeds. This is Sunday morning here on the 11th of April, 2021. Birds are soaring. They're singing and they're soaring in the air, and they've not a worry that we know about. We got plenty of worries here. This is the video forecast discussion for the northern mid-Atlantic region and the rest of the country here on this Sunday, the 11th of April, 2021. I'm meteorologist Robert Smith, and I just can't stop watching this bird soar and flap and fly. This morning when I got up, everything was okay, and then the clouds and fog really filtered in. We're dealing with visibilities here at less than a half a mile, a quarter of a mile, and less across Long Island, New York City's metro area, New Jersey, the Delmarva too. There's lots of clouds and lots of fog, actually, before the rain starts coming in. Visibilities here with the rain are improving here. And we didn't put on the radar yet, so let's take a look at that. If we do overlays, we can do layers here. And we can put on the radar chart here. And the radar is going to show up, and here comes the rain. Here comes the wall of rain into the area this morning. But before that, visibilities have been reduced. Be careful driving out there this morning. Put your headlights on. Yeah, I see people driving without headlights this morning too. Not a good thing. I don't know if they have coffee in them or nothing in them. I'm going to make this a short video this morning, only focusing on today and tonight and tomorrow in the morning edition here. Starting out at Fortescue at 60, Lower Alloways Creek, New Jersey at 60, Vineland here at 58. Cold spots right now, 51 at Walpack, Seagirt with the wind coming in off the ocean again at 52, Oceanport 52, and also 52 right now in Parsippany at 8:30 this morning. Let's get into the rest of the temperatures here. This morning, we're generally dealing with temperatures pretty uniform in the mid-50s to around 60 degrees across the entire region here. It's very interesting because the dew points are actually very close to the air temperatures, and that's making the relative humidity about nearly 100% in spots. And we can see this now on this map, which shows up at about 100%. And the visibility is not good out there this morning. No. This is the latest radar trend here from this morning. We can see the billowing up of the showers. And they're moderate showers too, lifting up north ahead along that warm front now. They're not here in your area as of this broadcast, but they'll be there shortly. They will. Let's see if we can pull up the visible satellite imagery. We can this morning, and there are some tufts in these clouds, so there's some billowing up of some heavier downpours here in the cloud cover. Everybody else is like obscured here. Let's take a look at a few other things here. Already reporting some light rain here in southern New Jersey, about 16/100ths of an inch, 42/100ths of an inch in Millville, so that's some moderate rain falling in the last hour. Other areas picking up some light to moderate rain around the region this morning, especially as you head south of I-78 this morning. Air temperatures and dew points are pretty uniform. That's why the air is saturated. There's morning fog out there. Winds are out of the east-southeast at about 5 miles per hour or less, and the pressures are falling. So lots of broken cloud cover at 200 feet, 1,000 feet, 1,900 feet, low clouds. This is all overcast and fog. Light precipitation, fog across the central areas, just everywhere basically. Dense fog across northeastern New Jersey, the New York City metropolitan area, islip. Dew point temperatures, air temperatures, saturation is occurring here. And the winds are all out of the ocean. They're all off the ocean. This is maritime marine air mass building in ahead of a warm front and then cold front. And we got a busy day ahead, too. We do. Weather-wise, it's busy in everyone's life, but the weather never stops. I want to make this a little brief this morning as I get into the afternoon and evening forecast for the week ahead, but right now we just want to focus on today, as we should. Showers and thunderstorms along the warm front this morning, and then ahead of the cold front this afternoon. Now, some of these showers and thunderstorms could produce some very strong winds and some heavy downpours across the region. Precipitable water values, they're running quite high today. So anything over an inch and a quarter in precipitable water, which is water vapor, indicates that there could be some heavy downpours both this morning and again this afternoon. Yes, that's true. And we're going to go skip to my Lou, my darling. We're going to use the 60 HRRR model guidance mesoscale. See the heaviest shower and thunderstorm activity here across portions of Allentown down to Vineland, Wilmington, and across the coastal waters here of New Jersey and Monmouth County. Everybody else, about an inch, half of an inch to an inch, inch and a half, and any of the shower and thunderstorm activity which is showing up in the model guidance is correct. Taking a look at the National Weather Service's digital database, forecasted high temperatures today around 60 degrees, 70 here, 71 when the warm front comes through across the Delmarva, but that warm front is going to get stuck right here. That's not going too far north before the cold front comes through. So temperatures south and west of I-95 here into the Delaware region, into Virginia, getting into the 70s. But look, here, it's going to be stuck in the 50s to around 60. And of course, a lot cooler right along the South Shore and east ends of Long Island, right along the Jersey coast and the north and south shore of Long Island too, with that onshore flow. Nothing surprises me, right? No. And nothing should surprise you as well, because the anomalies for the temperatures will be below normal here, north of the warm front with the rain. And they will be slightly warmer than normal where it's not raining, 10, 15 degrees above normal. I get down here through Delmarva here. That's incredibly warm for this time of the year, above normal. So we're going to go through this Sunday here with showers and some heavier downpours along the warm front. And then later this afternoon, there could be breaks in the clearing and also thunderstorms that work their way through the area. Cloud cover, well, we're socked in right now. You know that because it shows it at about 900 to 100%, 90 to 100%. Is there going to be any breaks in the overcast today? Nah, not really. No. You didn't expect that, did you? National Weather Service in Mount Holly just uploaded this for the weekly outlook. Today, obviously, rain showers, isolated thunderstorms, cooler scattered showers tomorrow, unsettled, damp, and cool on Tuesday. Rain moves through in the evening and overnight on Wednesday, and drying and warming heading towards the weekend as we get into Thursday. Not surprising. So let your day soar. We'll be back in video forecast discussion this afternoon with the week ahead. I'm meteorologist Robert Smith. Thanks for following us and being part of Garden State Weather.